In a nation forged by fire and grit, where steel is the sinew of strength, a bold vision rose, an Atmanirbhar Bharat, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. India's industrial spirit found new resolve.
130 crore Indians have given the call for an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. Atmanirbhar Bharat merges domestic production and consumption with global supply chains. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not about being self-contained or being close to the world. It is about being self-sustaining and self-generating.
Into this mission, a leader stepped forward, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy.
I, Haradanhalli Devegowda Kumaraswamy, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
With a solemn oath and an unwavering gaze, the journey began. A charge to transform the backbone of India's industries into engines of global excellence. Steel, heavy industries, electric dreams, all now on the move. A new era of governance was launched, transparent, multilingual, and accessible to all. With real-time dashboards and policy clarity, stakeholders now connect with ministry like never before. December 2024 marked a historic turn, the unveiling of India's first-ever Green Steel Taxonomy, a global benchmark anchoring India's commitment to low-carbon responsible steelmaking. At Salem, the vision took shape: modernization, electric arc furnaces, and renewed momentum in a historic step towards strengthening India's steel sector. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, approved a comprehensive 11,440 crore rupees revival package for Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited on 16th January 2025. This landmark decision, achieved through the tireless efforts of Union Minister Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy, ensures the revival of the Visakhapatnam steel plant, safeguards thousands of jobs, and reaffirms the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The revival plan sets an ambitious target of restarting all 3 blast furnaces and achieving the full production capacity of 7.3 million tons per annum by end of 2025. Shri Kumaraswamy has underscored RINL's vital role in helping India achieve 300 million tons of steel production annually by 2030. On 30th January, Shri Kumaraswamy visited the Visakhapatnam steel plant following the cabinet's approval, assured the workforce of timely salary disbursements and comprehensive development of the plant. The revival of RINL is not just a lifeline for the steel plant but a monumental stride towards a stronger and self-reliant India. Bhadravati witnessed a promise to restore the legendary Visvesvaraya plant, preserving livelihoods, preserving legacy. In early 2025, PLI 1.1 was launched, giving wings to specialty steel sector. The first phase had already drawn 27,000 crore rupees in investments and created nearly 15,000 jobs. The torchbearers of metallurgy were honored at the national awards, celebrating vision, innovation, and India's $5 trillion dream. From ministry halls to factory shop floors, voices echo across India. He brought our plant back to life. Our work now empowers a stronger tomorrow. This is not just policy, this is transformation felt by every hand that builds. As India marches towards Viksit Bharat 2047, the vision expands. Trade offices in the UAE, stronger global footprints for SAIL, NMDC and MECOM. The next chapter is global. The mission is national. The goal is industrial sovereignty. 1 year of resolve, 1 year of resurgence, under PM Modi leadership and with Kumaraswamy's steel-like will. India is building not just industries, but a future to be proud of. Forged with vision, fueled by purpose, and destined to rise.